Hey guys, it's Empmarioplushbros23 back again. Today I'm here reacting to Murder Drones Episode 2 Heartbeat here on my computer today. Also, if you're new to the channel, me down below and smash the like button to subscribe to the channel if you want to see me do more gaming, more vlog use, more stop motion. Also, support the channel, I work really hard on my videos, so let's get started. Now, I'm gonna be reacting the continuation from the pilot episode that I reacted to. I'm gonna be now reacting through Episode 2 Heartbeat, which I'm excited to react to each of the episodes of Murder Drones because I really like Murder Drones and the making by Glitch Productions alongside Liam Vickers. It was like a mix with Wall-E X Terminator fights with, robots killing other robots. And I like it. I like the 3D animation of it and the murders and the dark tone is going through and the story behind it. I really enjoyed it. So, with that being said, let's begin. Glitch Productions.
We've got to curb her trips to the dump. And where is she getting the hair to play dress up with them? Creepy.
Looks like we're showing a bit of the shadowy figures of the humans, but being a bunch of wealthy rich people. And it looks like it's all taking place in a mansion.
It's okay. I wasn't looking.
Oh, got a little spark going. Are these?
Move it more.
Jay! So these are really the three murder drones, N, V, and J. Alright, we're introducing another worker drone. Oh, I like how N is sleeping, hanging upside down like a vampire, with his like mechanical wings as well, because they're supposed to be depicted as vampires. And there's Uzi.
That's weird and concerning. Bite me. This is probably you weirdo's fault. I've never seen that symbol before. Wanna do an autopsy to find out? What'd you find?
Getting a little intense.
Did you know that was a pilot hack? I was the pilot? That's awesome! I crashed and ruined everything. Spaceship pilot. Origin story.
He's doing that little hiss effect while she's blowing bubbles, which happens to be bubble wands for her hands.
Covering their tracks means they're past negotiating. Not like they tried negotiating with my mom. Or missed the negotiations. The humans programmed us to solve a problem. Where's proof of your backstory? The one where your kind's so conveniently innocent.
Uzi's not all that phased, and it pulls her far away from V.
If not the company through that relay, then who and how?
Having a little low angry thought there. Aw. Uzi just smacked out of N's hand when he ends what's about to pat Uzi. Wow.
Yeah, just fix her up, cause, whoops, pretty big security risk in hindsight. You got this, ladder bot 5,000? Please, just hit the lights.
I think you need a massive ladder than just that to fix up right above that ceiling of it. That there was twitching for a second. What is that? What is that? Oh! Oh God. Okay. Something's happening. Well, he's dead.
Mr. Doorman, your daughter has been absent.
Yes. On that kill all humans kick, like when I was younger. Grounded herself and all that.
Speaking on her behavior.
Of course. Precocious, popular, supernatural understanding of doors. Takes after her old man.
Really? This guy, man.
Please say
Con.
normal.
Fight me!
Uzi, give Brayden back his sentience.
Fight me! Her. I started it.
Okay, Uzi has the ability to do that.
You have to partner up.
Several people wanted to, for the record.
No, he didn't. You freak us out.
But mostly fight me!
Yeah, she has trouble fitting in. We think there might be something damaged with her programming. How is she at home?
I mean, it could still be typical angsty teen personality-wise. You know, just being all angsty and stuff.
Mr. Doorman, sir, there's been an incident.
He simply just tossed that clipboard away. Like that.
Who programmed that?
Good, Uzi?
Been good. Better than good. I am God! Hi, Dad. Thank you.
Of course, N&Ms.
Hey.
I don't think the colony's even serious about all this banishment stuff. Or just confused, especially with
The fact I'm too rogue to re-enter society now? I can never return.
the recent disappearances and your murder friend's corpse. When I went to grab your gun, it kind of looked like it crawled away.
E-
Return a little?
Yeah, you gotta return back because something's terrible going on there. Like, something's bad is happening.
Ladder about 5,000. We looked everywhere for you.
Well, Tim, care to join me?
Join you standing eerily still over there in suspiciously low resolution?
Yes?
This is a hologram, don't fall for it. You're dumb. And now you got shanked. I mean, who would get easily fooled by a hologram, really?
Flawless character acting. Improv game for more practice.
Okay, it looks like this thing is trying to make holograms of these worker drones. So it seems.
Welcome back, Thad. Wait, isn't she grounded or something?
Vanished! Has my dad been saying I'm grounded?
Genocide robot?
Genocide robot? Sorry. Aww.
Oh, alright. Just don't do it again. Get in here, you goof.
Ah, the cute face and is making. So basically, he made a cute drawing and said the word sorry,
Yeah,
and the worker drone forgives him.
Parent-teacher conference? Something about his daughter being more important than building a door in this hallway. Ugh, kinda cringe.
Ew, yeah, ugh. Oh, give me a minute. Yeah, okay, almost through.
You good? Good. Stop asking. Any forensic things over there? Do we have fingerprints?
No, you don't, because you're a robot. They're all holograms. This whole crime alley and everything. Even that mug. It's all set up. Now you're dead.
I mean, you don't think it's my parenting, do you? I left her for dead once. It sounds like she's bored in your class, and the other kids suck.
Really? He's playing solitary.
Door on your face!
on the face cam. Dad, I watched them die.
That was the joke, idiot?
She's speaking in Russian.
That girl is gorgeous, right? I'm gonna let her in.
Really? Seeing a hologram of yourself, I would probably be more question why exactly.
No, I'm very concerned, but also pretty frightened a little bit.
Hey, Z, what's this thing?
Hey, isn't that your special eye?
Don't call it that! Absolute Solver? Reboot? Does this have something to do with how you grew your head back?
I actively avoid unpacking how that works.
New material can't be pulled from thin air. If the wound is severe enough, this Solver might be some sort of auto-run program to collect more matter.
Okay, so that's what Uzi has, that symbol thing. It's an absolute solver. Is that a human hand? Get that thing off your leg right now. Whoops. Ninja Star. Who threw that? N.
I want a freaking ninja star.
Wow, that was badass of N, throwing a ninja star like that.
You good?
Stop asking! Chainsaw hand time?
Yeah, cool.
Ha! Chainsaw hand time. Alright, they gotta say Tad.
Yes, and hello, it's me, Tad. Can I get a location?
Yeah, I don't think they're falling for that hologram of him.
Come over here for your teeth.
Birthday
Really?
is terrible work, Jay. Why do you look so...
Great! You look great, Jay. No, wait.
Can't make her mad, unfortunately.
Is the ninja star?
Why are you sounding like GLaDOS for a minute?
Lifesavers again. Thanks. Super invited to my shindig next weekend. Cool kids only.
He's trying to make a fist, and the crab claw gets frightened by it.
So, whatever. So lame. What's with the voice, Jay?
Oh, Jay's not here. We are trying to repair that host as per our directive.
So you are a program?
More like you are our cute puppets. It hurts our feelings you don't remember us.
That's Uzi's mom.
And what's with the mom hologram?
Easier to assimilate than explain.
Not happening.
Fair, but poor choice. Now
Oh God.
something shocking.
Oh God, we got a monstrosity of Five Nights at Freddy's mangled version of Jay.
What?
Lucy, shoot! Or give it to me!
Oh good. And came in.
Snarl.
Lucy!
Yeah, Uzi, shoot it with your rail gun. Oh no, that was a hologram.
Lucky for you, it's is not fine. Time to go into my mouth now.
Time to go into my mouth now.
And please don't.
Go in.
So I was using those.
It's going to explode.
Which parts of that were real?
Yeah, what was that? Oh!
Sneaking away. Get snuck up on. Ow. Ow.
Just keep stabbing him with that tail needle. And now it's destroyed, that program.
What are you things?
Uzi's frightened on what she just saw.
See? What are you doing, huh?
She's just too scared right now for what she just witnessed. And there goes N, escaping away.
Gorgeous, right? I'm gonna let her in.
Oh, she has that same symbol.
Sorry, Industrial Strength Ghost or whatever. Settle.
Huh. So, she basically saved her. Yep, something's up with this crazy girl.
I hate your personality normally, but this is somehow worse. What am I being punished for?
'Cause you're downright insane, V. Her chain's busted. And Uzi's just thinking about it. And she has a conspiracy wall above her ceiling. Well, guys, I hope you guys liked this video here today. I really enjoyed this episode 2 of Murder Drones. A massive continuation of it. And I like the sort of mystery that is going. What is the deal with the Russian bot starting speaking in Russian, and she happened to have the exact same symbol as Uzi's eye, and it looked like we're gonna be like dealing with her in the other episode of it, and it's playing off some sort of mystery of it, like the absolute solver of the symbol of it, of Uzi's eye being called that. And we also get to see another thread, which happens to be Jay's program. From that, when she got destroyed, a program somehow gets released and trying to... The plan is that the program is planning to simply try to rebuild Jay back from getting destroyed. And it's up to N and Uzi to go back to the place returning, just so they can try to finish off and try to figure out the problem of it. And I like how we get like a sort of flashback, and the animation improved, being a little brighter, while the pilot episode was more a little dark and shady of it. A massive improvement indeed. And I do like the action scene. I also like the fact that N literally throws a ninja star, just showing how much more combat that N has been having lately, which is really saying something. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. We get a little bit of the characters of it. We also get a little bit of the side characters as well, with Uzi's father, Khan, and then also some of the other two characters, the teacher, and some others as well. They don't do much, but they bring into the episode of it. While the pilot episode was only focusing on Uzi and the murder drone, like V and J of it. So yeah, I really enjoyed this episode of it. I enjoyed the animation, the action going through it, and the massive improvement of it, which can't wait to continuing reacting to episodes of Murder Drones for you guys. So hopefully you guys like this video here today. Goodbye.